Hello everyone and welcome to this new English learning video. Today, you'll listen to a simple and fun English conversation between two people meeting for the first time. It's perfect for beginners to practice real daily English questions and answers. Try to listen carefully, repeat after the speakers, and learn new expressions. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more English practice videos every day. Now let's begin the conversation. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Mark. What's your name?
I'm Lily. Nice to meet you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I am doing great.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
I'm from England. How old are you?
I'm 22 years old. How old are you?
I'm 25. What do you do?
I'm a student. What about you?
I'm a teacher.
What do you teach?
I teach English and science. Do you like studying English?
Yes, I love it. Is English your first language?
Yes, it is. Where do you live?
I live in Toronto. And you?
I live in London.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. How about you?
I have two sisters. Are you married?
No, I'm single. And you?
I'm single too.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's your favorite food?
I like pizza. What do you like to drink?
I like coffee. Do you like tea?
Yes, I do. What do you do in your free time?
I read books. What about you?
I listen to music. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play guitar. Wow, that's nice.
Thank you. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like basketball. Do you play basketball?
Yes, sometimes. Do you like movies?
Yes, I love them. What's your favorite movie?
I like Titanic. Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evening. What time do you sleep?
Around 10 p.m. What time do you wake up?
At 6 a.m. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. What do you eat for breakfast?
Bread and eggs. Do you drink milk?
Yes, I like milk. What's your favorite fruit?
I like apples. Do you like bananas?
Yes, I do. Can you cook?
A little. What can you cook?
I can cook rice and chicken. Do you like to travel?
Yes, very much. Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan. Have you traveled before?
Yes, I went to France. Did you like it?
Yes, it was beautiful. What's your hobby?
I like drawing. Do you like reading?
Yes, I read every day. What book are you reading now?
I'm reading an English story. Is it interesting?
Yes, very interesting. Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you have cat?
Yes, I have.
What's its name?
My cat's name is Bella. Do you like animals?
Yes, I love them. What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs. Do you like shopping?
Yes, sometimes. What do you buy most?
Clothes and shoes. Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's easy. What do you do on weekends?
I meet friends. Do you go out often?
Yes, on Sundays. Do you like dancing?
Yes, a little. Can you sing?
No, I can't. Do you like rain?
Yes, I love rainy days.
Do you like summer?
Not really, it's too hot.
What's your favorite season?
I like spring. Do you like snow?
Yes, it's beautiful. Can you swim?
Yes, I can. Do you like the beach?
Yes, I do. Do you like mountains?
Yes, they are peaceful. What's your favorite place?
The park near my house. Do you like your city?
Yes, very much. Is it big?
Yes, it's a big city.
Do you go to work every day?
Yes, from Monday to Friday
What time do you start work?
at 9 a.m. What time do you finish?
At p.m. Do you take a bus to work?
Yes, I do. How long is the trip?
About 20 minutes. Do you like your job?
Yes, it's good. Do you have a car?
No, not yet.
Can you drive?
Not very well.
Do you want to learn?
Yes, soon. What's your dream job?
I want to be a doctor. And you?
I want to be a pilot. Do you like studying?
Yes, I do. What subject do you like?
I like math. Do you speak other languages?
Yes, a little French. Do you learn online?
Yes, on YouTube. Do you use social media?
Yes, every day. And you?
Yes, I do.
Which one?
I use Instagram. Do you take photos?
Yes, I like taking pictures. Do you travel with friends?
Yes, sometimes. Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week. Do you like healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat well.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, every hour.
What's your favorite day?
Saturday. What do you do at night?
I watch videos. Do you sleep early?
Sometimes. Do you dream often?
Yes, funny dreams. Are you happy today?
Yes, very happy. What time is it now?
It's 9 o'clock. Do you like mornings?
Yes, they feel fresh and new. What do you usually do in the morning?
I drink coffee and read the news. Do you check your phone first thing?
Yes, I read my messages. Do you like cold or hot weather?
I like cool weather. Do you like to sleep late?
Only on weekends. Do you use alarm to wake up?
Yes, my phone alarm. Do you make your bed every day?
Yes, it helps me feel organized. Do you cook at home or eat out?
Mostly at home. Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, they're healthy. Do you eat spicy food?
Sometimes, not too much. What's your favorite restaurant?
A small Italian place near my house. Do you drink juice?
Yes, orange juice is my favorite. Do you like chocolate?
Of course, who doesn't? Do you eat fast food?
Rarely, maybe once a month. What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas, it's full of joy. Do you celebrate birthdays?
Yes, with cake and friends. When is your birthday?
It's in March. And yours?
Mine is in August. Do you like surprises?
Yes, if they're good ones. Do you like reading poems?
Sometimes, when I'm relaxed. Do you like to draw?
Not really, I'm not good at it. Do you go to parks often?
Yes, I walk there on weekends. Do you like nature?
Very much, it calms my mind. Do you enjoy camping?
Yes, I love sleeping under the stars. Do you like big cities or small towns?
I prefer small towns, they're peaceful. Do you like libraries?
Yes, they're quiet and cozy. Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy teaching. What do you like most about it?
Helping people learn new things. Do you like meeting new students?
Yes, every student is unique. Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, it's comfortable. Do you like airplanes?
Yes, I love flying. Are you afraid of heights?
A little bit. Do you like driving at night?
Not really, it's too dark. Do you go shopping alone?
Sometimes with friends. Do you like art museums?
Yes, they're inspiring. Do you watch the news?
Yes, every morning. Do you care about fashion?
A little, I like to look neat. Do you like wearing jeans?
Yes, they're comfortable. Do you like shoes or clothes more?
Shoes, they complete the style. Do you have a favorite brand?
Not really, I buy what I like. Do you like animals on TV shows?
Yes, especially dogs and cats. Do you like cartoons?
Yes, they make me laugh. Do you like reading before bed?
Yes, it helps me sleep. Do you like silence?
Yes, it's peaceful. Do you like learning languages?
Yes, I'm learning Spanish now.
Thanks, I love learning new things.
Wow, that's cool.
Do you want to visit Africa one day?
Yes, I want to see Kenya and Egypt. Do you like taking long walks?
Yes, it clears my mind. This was such a fun talk.
Yes, I enjoyed it too.
Nice talking to you too.
Me too, it was nice talking to you.
See you again.
See you, bye.